To begin, start at the FM homepage. Next, place your mouse over the Self-Service Center tab in the top left corner. After launching the Self-Service Center, hover your mouse over the Employee Resources tab in the top left corner. Underneath the Payroll tab, you will see SAP Employee Portal. Click that. SAP Employee Portal will launch open, and you can find the Training tab in the lower right corner. The LSO will then launch open into a new tab. You'll find the second box on the right titled Links. Click on Browse Catalog. Click on the caret to open up Freeport-McMoRan Training Catalog. Then click on the caret underneath Global Training as well as Global Leadership. All of our offered courses will appear below. You can browse the courses with descriptions at the bottom. Start by clicking on whichever course you would like to attend, and then scroll to the bottom of the page. You then see the description of the course and a link for Proceed for Booking. If this is the course you would like to attend, click on Proceed to Booking. Here you can browse the locations, the dates, and the available seats for the course. Once you've decided which course you'd like to attend, click on that course. Then select Request Participation and click OK. On the left side, your status will now indicate awaiting approval. Before you can enter the course, your supervisor must verify your request to participate. After registering, you should receive an email verifying your request to participate with the notice that your supervisor has also been alerted. Once they approve your request, you will receive another email securing your spot in the class.